Breast milk is often considered the best source of nutrition for babies. But formula has also been designed to provide the essential nutrients a baby needs to grow and develop. So, which is better? Let's take a closer look at the benefits and drawbacks of each. Breast milk is often recommended by doctors and health organizations because it contains antibodies and other immune-boosting substances that can help protect babies from infections and diseases. Breastfeeding may also help bond mother and baby and provide emotional benefits for both. On the other hand, breastfeeding can be challenging for some mothers and may require extra support and resources. Formula, on the other hand, is more convenient and easier to use, allowing other family members to help feed the baby. Formula can also provide a consistent level of nutrients, which may be especially important for babies with special health needs. However, formula lacks some of the immune-boosting properties of breast milk, and it may not provide the same emotional benefits as breastfeeding. Ultimately, the decision of whether to breastfeed or use formula is a personal one that should take into account the mother's health, lifestyle, and preferences, as well as the baby's needs and circumstances. The most important thing is to provide the baby with the best nutrition and care possible. So, who wins in the formula versus breast milk debate? In the end, it's not a competition. Both options have their advantages and disadvantages, and what matters most is finding the right choice for you and your baby.